Hello guys, are we live? Are we live? Let me just check if we are live and then we can start our today's trade. Yeah, we are live. So I am up in profit. Personally, I did not take this trade. I took from here an entry and it's still going up. So I'm just waiting for it to hit a TP. These are the two trades that could have been planned. And by the way, I had taken one entry which hit my stop loss. I'll explain the reason. I did not follow my trading rules, so you can see here there is no FBG while this, and it is not uh, twice or thrice greater. And I just thought, okay, let's just take an entry on. It's my second account. It's a very big account, so I thought let's just take it. What happens? Let's see what happens. When happens. Uh, so this whole thing is the order block. So I took entry somewhere here. My SL was here. TP was a lot like bigger and it was somewhere till here. And this could have been a 1 is to 5 risk to reward and it would have been a great trade, I'm personally saying. But again, I did not follow my rules and currently we are $23 up. Yeah, so this hit my SL personally and we are waiting now. I am using smaller stop losses. Uh, this, I'll tell you what is my logic behind this, because you will say that there is no market structure here, but there is order flow analysis, which I have learned very just the other day. I have just learned that, and I'll explain you guys thing over here. Okay, so I thought that saw that okay, this is decreasing. Selling orders are decreasing, buying orders are more. Here also, right now also you can see buying orders are more. So it means on a POI, point of interest, if there is more buyers and sellers are getting slow in the demand, then it means that it has a higher probability of going up. Again, there is probability, it is a confirmation, it is not a full setup. It is just a confirmation to help you. So that's going up currently. Let me just check. My phone is almost dead and I have to charge that. We are $35 off. I'll exit when it hits TP. See, suppose there would have been selling volume over here, you could have sold over here. Then our set. This is another setup which I have just created the other day. So yeah. Otherwise, our main setup is what we are going to be using today, and the other live streams as well. It is just that you this big candle. So from this is my original trade, 85 pips. This is the other trade which I could have taken, 134 pips. So A plus zones are there. Now I'm very much confused in one more thing, guys. If you could help me, so in this understanding and all, I'll just tell you what I'm confused in. Let's start closing a few positions to max out our profit here. So, okay. I've closed almost half of the positions. Let's move this as well. So three positions more are open, and then we'll set the TP in the top over here. It's going up. It's going up. It's nice. It's going up. So we'll wait for the price to hit our TP. And I have set the TPs. My god, it's so slow, guys. Net is very much slow. Let me check. Is the TP set for all the things? No, not for all, but for one is left. Okay, let's keep these running and let's see what happens to these positions. Personally, it's just a huge move from this. It's a vertical move. From here also, it is almost a vertical move over here. You can see it's a vertical move, and with this order flow, I am able to find vertical just moves. I'll just show you. Yesterday's trade was epic. Personally, I did not show you guys on live, but See, I'll just show you. It is not. Yeah, this was the candle. See, this was from order flow analysis. We fucking maxed it out yesterday. I made a lot of profits yesterday. It was good. It was fun. It's almost TP, but price is resisting. I don't know why. But now even if vessel goes, we are still in break even, more than break even. This is the demand. I would like to close one more position over here when it hits. Because if you see, it's not that always every single order block is doing the work. It is that the order block which caused a demand and supply zone which caused a change of character or market structure. That will be the only order block that will work. So we are waiting for the price to hit my TP, and then I'll find opportunities for you guys if I find. Okay. Personally, one more entry could have been taken. I don't know how many of you guys see this on the chart right now. From here, an entry could have been taken. Stop loss just right over here. How many pips a liquidity sweep is here? 3 pips, valid. And again, TP could have been either here. First, this would have been the TP, but external sell side will be there. Same TP, so 3 trades could have been planned from this area. Back to back 3 trades. So re entry could have been there. But of course, we got late to the party. Done. First is done. Perfect. That is good buying momentum. I'll close this position. The rest TP will automatically get hit and then it will close. Okay, so we'll see what happens now. That's how I wait for the price patiently. I don't rush into the markets, and I think this will also be done. Let's remove this. Yeah, it's done. It's done, guys. It's done. TP for me, it is done. Yeah, we are up. Okay. Today I actually did $50 loss in that single trade. I made all that back in this trade. See, these were the two entries that could have been planned personally here, and yeah, we could have taken this. This that is insane buying momentum. Now I'll find a setup for you guys, and I will personally also take it on my second account, which I am doing a challenge on. So that will also be done. I think it closed over the zone, but in my phone it did not. But it has closed. That's why it did not work. And I think there was no actual, you can say, slow selling. Was the slow selling over here? I don't think so. Was price approached with such great momentum here? Also very much great momentum. And then it created a little downwards move. But if you see, the thing about this strategy is that you will find many trades, but you will not find very much good trades. You will find a lot of trades, but not good quality setups, like long setups. But you'll get shorter setups, maybe shorter, maybe longer also, like this one. You might find it depends totally on the liquidity and where the next change of character had happened. Like suppose it was here, this whole thing was an order block here, the price powered up. So this could have been one trade, this. So 3 trades could have been planned in this time. So it's just like that. Nothing much complicated in this, but I'll still disable this so that we don't need the help of any indicators. This is personally not an indicator. It is an order book from where you see okay how many orders are being executed for buys and sells. Let's check on the 5 minute. Okay, it's a straight move to the upside. So with this chart, Okay, just any. Now we'll wait for our usual strategy. Okay, this was also a usual strategy. I took entry over here. So this was also our usual strategy. This was the other one. Order flow. I think we could have aimed till here because this is the next supply zone. Now if the price shows something here, if I enable it too late. Oh no no, I did not enable it too late. It's still there. First here in this candle 1083 and immediately it slowed down. First of all it was coming to this slowed down, slowed down, slowed down. There might be a chance that you will get selling from here. There is a little bit of chance. Again, it's not like you are going to definitely get it, but there is a chance. Once again, I'm telling you. Right, so how many sellers selling orders are executed or how many buying orders? You must see that. So two, three candles you need to look at in the demand or the supply that okay it's decreasing, so it's still increasing. You can see. This was the only selling. Otherwise, every single thing is buying while approaching. So this will maybe not hold. So I will not trade this personally here. Not because it's a lot of buying over here. Just tell me one thing now. Why every time the breaker block is working? See, here also the breaker block. Look at that. It can be an entry from here. Then again, there was a breaker block. Uh, this one. This breaker block also works. Then, which entry I gave you? One more I told you, right? That this could have also been taken. Okay, first is this one only. Okay, this one only. See here also. Entry from the order block. Every single is entry from the breaker block. Why not the order block? Can we refine our zone to even higher statistics? What do you think? But again, the problem is sometimes breaker block works, sometimes the other one works. See, suppose I will show you one more trade opportunity that we could have gotten. This is the morning. No, 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 we don't want this. We want something else. Which one? Yeah, this one. Look at that. That's a sweep. Change of it with high power. And now you can see the breaker block is working from here. Maybe this was not this one. No, no, this one is right. No, no, this. Why does this chart look a little bit like the chart I was viewing on my phone? Either it is somewhat here only. I think this is the only move. So see, this could have been refined. See over here. This is the breaker block. Suppose now here. Where is that breaker block? Um, this is that breaker block. So this entry can be refined to this. But now how that has to be then that depends. Now this will depend. Now should I take entry with breaker block or order block? Now let me check my journal. I have journaled a few trades of the past to past week, and let's check that. If they, let's see which majority we get. Okay, one trade already. First trade was the order block. Second trade was, it was a breaker block. Third trade was uh, order block. Fourth trade they took was also the order block. So order block seems to win the strategy. So we'll take order block only. Fine. We'll manage with order blocks. My phone just shut off. I think I'll have to charge it. So let me just charge it, and then we will go with our trade. We are still not finding any opportunities. Market is pretty much dry right now after that huge move. Let's just count this as a 100 pip move, okay? For me, I'll count it as a 100 pip move. So this could have also been very much like greater delay. 153. So 50 pips. A really great momentum was there. So this entry should have been from here. I already told you this should have been from here. TP should have been this for this trade. Guys, tell me what I had told you, that this order block supply zone area would not hold. Didn't. It's kind of like inside information. Market got high now. Three trade opportunities. Why did I take entry from here? Okay, you guys want to know the logic. This whole thing is the demand zone. How? Check the 5 minutes. You will find this whole thing as a range. And if you check the 15 minutes chart, this thing is the order block. Look at that. So yeah, that's how I've taken it. You will get this after a lot of experience. Then only you'll learn. Now, execution idea for this also people are asking. See here, two candles back to back, or this whole range you can take. But since it happened before this, and then it will be taken as this. So entry from here. Fine. Now logic for this is again the range idea, but you could have taken a trade this also. See, otherwise you could have had this as the whole range. It depends on you, but you can check 5 minutes for this reference. Yeah, it's from here. Look at that. Perfect. Then from here it went up. I saw the that decreasing by selling momentum decreasing, and now you guys ask how this worked. Okay, this was just normal because there was no range in between. Okay, so this was normal zone, and here saw buying momentum decreasing, sold till the next demand. Okay. Let's see what the price does. See that personally, I will now give you a good trade, and I don't know how many times I have told personally, but it seems like the people in the chat are going to kill me for this thing. Fine, we did not check the chat. Fine, fine, fine. I was in a trade. Did not check the chat. What do you say? Do I have to, or it's fine? Because I get you guys money, so it does not matter if I'm talking to you guys or not. It depends if I'm making money for you guys. So, what do you say about that? What kind of thing do you say about that? Or should I get a new monitor where I should place all the live chats? Wait a minute, guys. I'll just take out my charger for the iPad and place iPhone. Ah, charger is very hot. It's just hot, very hot. Charger is very hot, guys. It's like burning hot. Okay, that is the UPS that you have. I hope everything is fine. Nothing wrong. Live is working. Chat is working. Everything is working. I think price is reacting from this zone. But once it has already done so, I think there will not be a greater effect personally. It will not be a very big effect or something. It's going to be a small effect probably. Let's check what the order flow analysis says. There is selling. Now why it shows 000? It's because I think I disabled it for too long, so that's why. But I think it's not gonna work because it's already done once, and I think it's not gonna work. Pure SMC this is, and this is pure SMC, which I'm just explaining you. I don't think so. It's gonna work. Oh my god, it's working, but again, I will not take this setup because no setup is formed. But I gave you once a setup in the live stream on Monday. Yeah, on Monday was a last live stream. I gave you a high risk trade. That also worked out in our favor. It almost took our SL, but I told you that okay, it might go down. Let me check my Insta for any messages. Let me send my bro the picture. This was the best trade that could have been taken. Best restore award. See, this did not hold up. I'm telling you. Pure SMC, guys. Pure SMC. Here, a high risk setup can be made from here or here, but it's not gonna come till that. To give him the picture. I have in total six setups that I have made. Uh, Out of no, one is a common setup which I usually trade, and uh, after that, one, two, four. Then four setups I have made, and order flow I'm making more setups, but I have not made till yet. Like more setups I'm trying to make, I have not. Uh, but I'll make, yeah, surely. But I'm not gonna make any more setups until they stop working. They're going to like not stop working, but maybe when the market evolves a little, tricky trend might go on. So that is the thing. But SMC is going to stay forever. Listen to this song, guys. Best song. Many traders say best that, what do we call it? Best broker, or maybe best funny bips account, or that and all. But I say best font song. I'm going to do something about the chat. There's too much happening, guys. Too much. Bro, I've already taken your name once. Already once I've taken in the live stream. Guys, wait a second. भाई मैं लाइव स्ट्रीम में हूँ, मैसेज मत कर, स्क्रीन पे आता है. Guys, these people, just this person who's messaging me again and again on this show, he's one of my friends. This person, Mr. Adit over here, he's messaging me again and again. It's just, it gets too tricky, guys. Fuck. I think I'm gonna have to log out of this. Wait a second. We'll go to linked devices. Now, which Windows is it? 502 was the last update, so I think it must be this. Let's log it out. Now it's not gonna show up any text. Nothing is gonna show up. It's gone. Yeah, it's gone. Bro, the person is messaging me again and again. That's why I have disconnected WhatsApp. This is the best I can come up with to look at the charts as well as the charts. And guys, I told you that this thing, that this supply zone will fail, and it failed. That I told you. So any entries would here would have been just gone. What are you asking about, brother? List the whole thing. Can't understand it like that. Wait a second, guys. Wow. These are two same people messaging from different accounts. How? Okay, 21. So we'll share the link of this live stream. Copy this link and let's paste that. Let's see now. Yes, I can see your chats, guys. I can see your chats. This is the most I can do to look at the chats. Otherwise, I'm gonna get a new monitor. But today's my profit is done. Let's calculate how much. Let's add it on the screen. Shall we edit? Let's see. Add it, of course. Not edit. First one is $11. Let's take that. 11.76 it is, but we'll take it as 11. Again 11.70, but 11. Then the next one is 10 point something, so I'll just take it as 10. Other one is 7 plus 7 plus. Then again 6 plus we'll take it as that, and then 5 plus 5 plus 2. Okay, 2.50 we'll just take it. This is what we have made today. Why are you texting sir? Sir, you guys all know me. So we made this much in this trade. Fine, so we made this much. I just told you the overall profit and all. This is in dollars. That is what we have made today in this trade. I did not show this on live, but we're gonna soon get a trade. We're gonna get a trade very soon. Now people are gonna say you have zero viewers and all. Fine, I have viewers, but see, not many. I have viewers. Like there was in the chat earlier, also many people were there, and yeah, they come and go, come and go. So It depends. But I'm here to show my performance, not to be judged over here. Just show my performance. Like, okay, I can trade like that. And the person who is trading on live, guys, believe me, just trust him. Because he is trading on live, he cannot fake anything. I want to open another tab of Chrome. Let's open. So now we'll just sign into this. Let's run this. This is one of my second accounts. On Monday, the last we had taken the trade on this, right? This one. Then this one was the thing. Yeah. So we'll wait for a setup. Till now we haven't got. We'll wait for the setup patiently because if we don't, then of course stop loss is gonna be gone. It's better to wait than have a stop loss. See guys, one of my biggest problem here is that I'm taking trades perfectly. My setup is perfect, but I'm not taking or execution is lacking. I'm taking FOMO trades, and that is the worst thing that can happen to you if you take FOMO trades. Because see, I entered early here. Suppose here, you guys can hear the faintest sound. I guess I'm not playing any songs, guys. How can you hear? Okay, that might be me playing my status and all. Guys, I am just texting my bro over here. He made 120 pips from one. That is not 120 pips. He's wrong about something over here. He made a trade probably from somewhere. He went long. Then he started at 176. He took a trade at 176.86. Someone, yeah, here somewhere 86. This is the closest we could get. Yeah. Stop loss, I don't know where he has placed. His TP was how much? 180. This is not 100 pips. This is not. This is barely 40 pips. 40 pips is nothing. Bro has taken 140 bips. He must have put his stop loss somewhere here. Yeah, he has done what, but I'm. No, that's not how you point. How do I? That's not how you count. What is this? Real. Okay, let's see. Let's expand this view. Good real dictation. Oh, dedication. Oh, okay. Dedication. I read it something else. Fine. Fine, fine. Did not read it. Bro, how are you viewing? No, there is no pause. I'm not speaking right now. You're not getting a trade, so why to speak? I'm gonna call my bro. Let's talk to him on live. How are you watching from two devices? How? But how is this English, brother? Tell me that. Good, real dedication. How do you? It should be real dedication, not good. Okay, you can hear me talking with my bro now. Hello, how are you? Okay, guys, I'm back. Just had a conversation with my bro, and we both have hit TP today. We both have done profit today. Me and my bro both. We have hit. Both have hit the fucking TP today. Market is not giving us any opportunities. It's just going up, 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 up and up. Nothing. There's actually I had made one prediction on gold. I don't know how many of you guys know, but uh, I made it. I don't remember when, but I had made it. Let me try to open trading you on the website so that I can show you where I had made that. XAUUSD, okay? XAUUSD. Now, which one did we use? Maybe this one. Let's see. We'll go into super charts and let's see over here. This was the trend that we had got an SL in. From over here. Okay, this is not that chart. Forex FM. Okay, this is the chart. Yes. So I had made this position and I told you that price is gonna go up from it. I told you right, and exactly that is happening. Price is going up, and I have told you that it's gonna give us a very huge TP. See, it's almost half of this TP, and it's gonna give us till there. That is 7,000 pips. This prediction I have made on the long term, and it's going up. I had told you that please buy gold. It is the best time to buy gold right now, and it is going up. Since yesterday, there is a huge upwards move, and I think in NFP also we are going to go up. NFP also. By the way, NFP is today. Is there any news? Yes, there is. PMI is today. PMI is, I think, bullish because bias is bullish. So many of you guys are missing this thing. We have brought this back. Okay, nobody is there on live, I guess. So let's just do it to full screen. There's nothing to read in the chat, so why to just do that? By the way, I did some wrong analysis. I don't know why that time. I did not see that it had closed there. That this one. Just going to look forward to that. Just a minute. See if we don't get a trade by what do we call it? So this 5.5, then I'm not gonna continue the lecture. I'm not gonna continue. Then I'm going to leave it for today as that only. I have already done profit today. I'm not gonna take any more. So that's what we are going to do. So in the phone itself, I was looking. On the phone it shows it is correct, and on that it is showing it's not. This is which chart? This is on the BBC best. I think I was looking at the wrong chart. I think. Yeah, that was a whole different chart. This is the correct chart. TBC. So this works fine. So that was the thing. Yeah, yeah. So it is correct. This shouldn't have worked. It just should have worked there. So yeah, that was honest mistake. That was an honest mistake, and not from my side. It was from the charts providers. That I will consider as TP only because it is not my mistake. I followed all my rules. But there was a setup that had formed somewhere here also. Wait, no, it hadn't. No, it hadn't. No, no, no. Again, that was a change of character setup. No, fine, fine. This is the problem of this strategy. Frequency is very much lower. Now, if I would have been trading that, which one, the order flow, I would have gotten many trades in the back as well. Here also one trade, here also two, three, four trades I could have gotten easily. But now the normal strategy that I'm using, that I use, is giving me frequency is very much less. You're going to either get one trade or two trades in a day. Yesterday I got two trades max, which I couldn't take. Then I got a third opportunity. In that I did a profit. Frequency is very much low. But again, you the setups I get in all my strategies always A plus. My strategy works really good. See, like this was the setup here. So what happened here? Let's check now. There was a sweep here. Now I'm worried that was this a small sweep or a big sweep. It was a very small sweep, so I think the whole logic behind this is this one. 3 pip sweep over here. This is 3 pips. I'm very sure. Yeah, this is 3 pips, and then a huge candle. Then this whole thing as the order block, and then from here entry. So this is actually a perfect planned trade. Guys, I don't think so. We'll get any more trades. That trade I should have came a little bit early, but again I came 1 hour early for you guys. Generally, I would have come over here and we couldn't find any trade. Not even me. I couldn't have found any trade over here. So that's why today I have at least I have got a trade. Even if you guys have not, but I'm still getting a trade. But yeah, we'll tomorrow get a trade or maybe because Wednesday is generally good day for me. On every single Wednesday, I've done a profit. It's tiring, guys. This is a 33 pip stop loss. So according to that, we'll check how many lots I had. I should have opened and how many I had. So TradeFX book, best backtesting software. by Omar Punjabi. Of course, you can use position sizing calculator. 33 pit stop loss, I think, right? 33. Yep. XAU USD. Risk amount was that. How many pips we had made? 105. Let's just take it as 100. Okay. Suppose this is 100. Now I'll tell you how to calculate profit. Now how many you had seen? 0.4 lots. 0.4 lots. That much I have made in these many lots. So yes, it is a good amount which I have made. Now I exited partials. I did many much things, so that's why it has that much. And also in a bigger account I had taken. Okay, guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. I think we are not gonna get any live streams or any. Sorry, trade anything. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. And till then, goodbye.